YouTube was good, Joe. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech, guys. Today's video, we got the Pro Max, obviously, on Tech Realism, you feel me? And we got 3 MagSafe iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone cases right here. Alright, we got the black right here. Kind of looks like purple around here. You see the price tag right here. Real expensive, $69 right here. We got the turquoise, wherever the case may be. All right, and then we got the purple. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if this is certified real tech and if you guys should buy this. Before we get into the video though, guys, you already know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get straight into these cases. All right, number 1 on the list. Actually, you know what? Let's leave black for last because most people like black, so we're just gonna put that to the side. Which one should we start with? Purple, turquoise, or purple? That's not turquoise. That's purple, or turquoise, or whatever this is. This is turquoise, right? Am I tripping? I know my colors. This is turquoise. Should we start with this one? You know what I'm saying? Let's start with this one. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have a color on it. That's kind of surprising. Okay, it's called Lake Green. Lake Green. This is the one that we're going to try over here. All right. So let's open that up like so. Boom. All right. I always get confused on how to open these. Okay, there you go. There you go. Boom. Boom. And then let's pull it out. There you go. Ooh, that feels nice. Yo, okay. So this is a silicone case. It feels nice. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels nice. Hey, man. So this is silicone Lake Green. You know what I'm saying? Let's take it out. Boom. All right. Boom. What else does it say on here? Okay, it shows you how to put it on there. We don't really need that. Boom. Okay. iPhone 16 Pro. Let's turn on the ringer because it's MagSafe, you feel me? Boom, boom, and boom. There you go. You saw that MagSafe animation. You heard that MagSafe animation. Buttons are pretty much clickable. You got the action, or not the action, what am I saying? The camera control right here. Right, so boom, click on that. Camera opens like so. Volume up and down, very clickable. It's taking pictures. All right, and then the action button. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Of course, you're not gonna get any protection. Zero protection. You're not gonna get any protection actually. And as you guys can see right here is not silicone actually. It's like plastic. You got that lip. So if you were to put on the surface like so, UG. Look at that. The lip action is not crazy. In terms of right here, it's just regular. All right. So yeah, that's the Lake Green right here. Okay. So that's the Lake Green. Let's put this back. Or let's put this to the side. Now we got this one right here. Okay. So which one is this one? They call it the Plum case. Okay, Apple got some weird names. They got some weird names, but this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone case Plum. All right, so let's do that little rip action right here. All right, like so. Boom. Open it up. Boom. The 2 tabs right here. Boom. And just pull it down like so. And this is the Plum. All right. So this is more like a girly case or whatever you're into. If you're into Plum, you get the Plum, you feel me? Ooh, I like that feel inside though. Feels like, what's that feel? I don't even know what it's called. I don't even know. But yeah, anyways, it just feels nice. It's like, I don't even know what it's called, but anyways. Let's put that on the phone. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Oh, that was cool. Wait, hold on. I just saw something. The MagSafe animation is actually the color of the case. You guys saw that? Boom. So yeah, this is how the Plum looks like. Okay, buttons are super clickable. All right, camera control obviously works. Take pictures, you good. All right, so this is how it looks like on the iPhone 16 Pro Max natural titanium. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Feels pretty premium, looks pretty premium. All right, so yeah, that's the Plum. Let's put that to the side. And then last but not least, the black. You see, the reason why I saved the black one is because I like my cases to be black. You know, black is just, it got that like luxurious color. You feel me? Black is that luxurious color. You know, when you get a car, most people go black. It's just luxurious. You know what I'm saying? A limousine. What color is a limousine? The color of a limousine is black. You feel me? So yeah, black's for last. All right. So right here, it's simple. Black. All right. So let's open this up. Boom. There you go. All right. Let's open these right here. Boom. And we got the black. YouTube. We got the black right here. You got that. Hey, man. The black looking real good. The black is looking real good. Alright, this is how it looks like. Yeah. Got that material that I forgot what it's called, but got that nice material. It's like, kind of feels like carpet. That's what it feels like, but not really carpet, but whatever, man. Yeah. Put that on here. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. The black. Alright, this is the black case right here. The silicone feels real nice. That looks pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? Looks pretty nice. You can't complain with this case. Hey, man. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with the black. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, look right here. Forgot to show you guys the cutout on the bottom of the phone. Alright, so it actually covers every single hole of your speaker. Okay. And then, yeah, camera control right there. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's the cases. So you got the purple, or the Plum, I should say. Okay. You got the black. Okay. And then you got the lake. What was it called again? The lake green. Okay. Which one is your favorite, guys? Leave your comment down below. And if you guys like more case reviews like these, let me know down below. Alright, guys, so that's the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. A quick unboxing of the 3 iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone cases. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. Until next time, YouTube, we out. Peace.